Can't see a thing. We're so close.
This is insane.
All right, update. We have made it. We are almost to the front. Here we are. Walking in at tunnel noises. Whoop whoop. Craig loves tunnel noises.
Yeah, they're just like so.
Good morning, everybody, or should I say bright sun? Oh my God, you're gonna have to deal with me all day long, so deal with it. Welcome to our Galaxy's Edge opening day vlog. We are here and it is 5:15, but don't let that fool you. I was out of bed at 3:30 a.m. this morning, so it's a hot one here in Orlando, Florida today. So anyway, we are hanging out here outside the entrance to Batu. Oh, there is movement. Let's see what's going on. I'm doing fine. Well, that was exciting. We moved a whole yard, but we're even closer now. So I think there might be movement. But according to the Disney app, it's already an hour or 150-minute wait for Smuggler's Run. So we'll see what time we actually make it onto the ride this morning. But it is a hefty turnout, as you can see. So many people. So we'll see how this day goes. All right, so here's the plan, people. This line wraps all the way around. So they said it's gonna be like, I don't know, 3 hours maybe. So we have left Craig in line and I am going to go explore. So let's see what we can get into. Look at this. Look at that. TIE fighter, dang. It's a nice TIE fighter. Oh, we got some stormtroopers keeping an eye on things. Everybody behave. Thank you. We've got Oga's Canteen over here. It's probably the closest I'm gonna get all day. We'll have to see. Ah, there she is. Look at that old thing. So cool. Alright friends, we got a new update for you. We discovered the beauty of the single rider line. I talked to someone and they said that it took them about 45 minutes to get through this, and that's a lot shorter than 3 hours. So we decided to be smart and check this out over here. So hopefully we'll see a little bit shorter line. So if you don't mind to divide and conquer, I highly recommend the single rider way. Alright, so we just exited Smuggler's Run. How was your experience, Craig? It was awesome.
You didn't crash the ship, did you?
No, we didn't crash the ship.
Hey.
Did we do okay then?
I don't know, you told me.
I mean, they said it was alright. That was so cool. It was so interactive. Did you like your role, or would you have rather been like the pilot or something?
I think any of them were cool.
It was just so neat, and like everyone collaborated. It was so
One
awesome.
person was bored. She didn't ever press the right buttons.
I know. I'm like, just push the flashing button.
The big giant green
The
button
big
that
one
says
that's
hidden.
flashing. It's not hard. So, highly recommend. That was amazing. Using the hydrator. So healthy. How about that? We just exited the ride. It was dark when we went in, and now it's light going out. How about that? Hey, you want to hop back in the single rider line? Alright, we made it into of Bith. So we've got a neat mug over here. Honestly, it looks like it's kind of like hand carved. I'm sure it's not, but it feels that way. It's got that nice like authentic feel to it. So a score for $25. You could put some beer in there, some blue milk perhaps. Of the day after doing a little bit of perusing in the shopping area. So we got our Ronto wrap from Ronto Roasters, and it looks like it's just some sausage, a couple different kinds of meat maybe, and some sauce. It sounds pretty good. I think it was like a peppercorn sauce of some kind. So we're about to taste test this bad boy and see if it was worth a short wait. It's got really good flavor. It's very smoky. So highly approved. Haven't really made it to the sauce yet, but I've heard good things, so I'll let you know. It was a little spicy. Very fashionable. What is that exactly? That's a Sith robe? I see. I saw someone wearing one earlier. And then we have Jedi robes, of course. But we all know what side you're on. $425.90 credits, please. What you got there, Craig?
A hole in my shirt.
A hole in your shirt? How do you feel about that?
Not
Not
great.
great. But this is required to build the lightsaber, so.
I don't have a heart. Where am I supposed to put it?
What is that on there?
It's just a symbol.
I see. Interesting. We are about to begin the lightsaber experience. So these are all the different lightsaber hilt styles we have in these drawers here. So I believe this first one is like elemental, and it's got this cool horn hilt style that you can choose. The one that Craig went with was the power and I don't know, essentially dark side one. In Harry Potter terms, Slytherin. So lots of red accents on there, which is his favorite color, makes a lot of sense. We'll see how it comes together. So they gave us this fancy card here with some Arabesh at the top, so we're trying to decipher the code right now. Kind of cool. Do you know, is Arabesh something that existed before Batu?
Yeah, that's the language in Star Wars.
Oh really? All of it? So it all translates like this?
In theory, yeah.
Kind of cool. Update, we've learned that it means Savvy's workshop.
Shocker, considering we're at
Shocking. Who would have guessed it?
Say green? No, group.
Group. Ah.
Group what?
I mean, it says green at the bottom, but...
Group B.
Group B. Interesting.
I know this might not reflect much to all of you, but to us this is everything. Admittedly, you may look around here and see a bunch of old junk, but let me clarify. Some of this is new junk. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its wielder, with the force flowing between them. And today, all of you feel that connection. So enough talk. Let's begin.
Alright, that'll be the top of your foot. If you can try to get your area, you'll feel a strength. Hold down on that and insert your kyber crystal. So you get a little card right here. One will go on the top, and one will go on the bottom, and you'll just apply very light pressure and twist, and everything should be in order. We try to pick the scrap metal emitter, and then a pommel, and then you'll place it right here. How we went over here. So remember, when you slide up, that'll be how you activate it?
I love that you have the red accents throughout.
The ridges, the nooks and crannies, feel the weight of it. How does it feel, Ava? Heavy, I'm sure. Right weapon on you go right there, isn't it?
Practicing those spin moves.
Make that connection.
Ouch.
And activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have all built your lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy.
How was it, Craig? It was awesome. Do you feel like a real Sith Lord?
You know it.
Alright friends, it is roughly 10 a.m. and we have checked off about half the things on our list today, but we've got some blue and green milk here for you, so Craig's double checking what creatures actually produce these milk. I believe it's bantha milk, at least for the blue, but we're double checking about the green. So what do you think about the drinks?
They're good.
Yeah, which one do you like better?
The blue's better, but I like this for the alcohol.
Yeah, the blue tastes kind of like berry. We ended up getting this one non-alcoholic just because someone recommended it that way, that said it was better, but you can get it with rum. This one comes with tequila, and it's a little bit more like citrusy, I think. So, and this one's kind of berry-like, so, but they're both very good. Very delicious.
The green milk is from the new movies, and it's from those weird animals on Octo.
The porks?
No, those are the flying ones. The weird, remember he goes and milks that in
Yeah,
that scene? He milks
okay,
them? That's
okay.
the green milk.
Got
So
it.
blue is bantha, green is, it's called a Thala Sirens, T-H-A-L-A Sirens, and that's from Octo.
Octo?
Octo.
Octo.
The planet where Luke, well, the planet Luke was on when Rey finds him.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Remember he milks those weird creatures?
Yeah, yeah.
Milk?
Yeah.
That's the green milk. Banthas are blue.
Interesting. Gotta have Luke Skywalker drinking some kind of milk.
He does like his milk.
He likes it.
Strong boy.
Strong bones.
Real strong boy.
That's right.
Ooh, super dark on it.
Ooh, I think we might find some souvenirs. I think I found our newest home decor.
Yeah? Which one?
Oh yeah. Let's go with the Tauntaun.
I actually don't even recognize three of these. I only recognize that and then that one.
Yeah. That's Rancourt.
No, Rancors are the one that Luke fights in episode 6. That's the one that attacks
Padme?
Padme on.
Oh, I thought that's what
Geonosis.
Rancourt
No.
I'm hoping both ends and the kids go at the same time.
Alright, so it's officially lunchtime over in Batu. So we are getting some delicacies. We have the fried Andorian tipya, which is essentially fried chicken and mashed potatoes. Yummy, with a green sauce kind of thing. And then What was yours called, Craig?
Shock roast,
Yes. Was it something longer than that?
braised shock roast.
Yeah. It's a braised shock roast and it's like a pasta dish. It's pretty good. Craig got himself a beer because it is noon and so obviously it's time to drink. What was this one called?
Gold Squadron Lager.
Gold Squadron Lager. Okay. And then we are finishing off with a Batu Bon, which is some kind of chocolate cake, and it looks like it's got some white chocolate and some sauce. So we're gonna taste these bad boys. Oh wow, these are like actually heavy. So interesting.
Is it too lower? No, it looks like it's the Incredibles.
That's good.
Oh, yes. And then, what's that place called?
So we've got a neat little droid display over here, but this is very cute. And it's not very busy right here, so. Which one? Where?
Right.
That?
That's a droid.
That's a droid?
It's upside
That
down.
looks like boxes.
It's upside down.
Is it the trash droid? The janitor?
I don't know if they get used to that or not.
I don't know, you tell me, what is it?
Gonk.
Gonk?
Gonk.
How do you spell that?
G-O-N-K.
Gonk, okay.
That's the noise they make.
What is it from?
Well,
Gonk.
one of them's getting tortured in Jabba's palace in episode 6.
Okay. Interesting. See, you're so handy to have around.
This is my thing.
Thank you for your wisdom. Appreciate you, Darth Kriggles.